Okay guys, this is a 2025 Ford Maverick Lariat Hybrid all-wheel drive. You can only buy these brand new in the state of Utah right now. First used one here, at least the one currently online. Customer just traded this in. It was just too small for him. This thing's never been damaged, clean history, clean Carfax, clean title, all the above. Only got like 2,750 miles on it, so virtually brand new, just didn't fit their lifestyle. So here it is. So this does have the B&O sound system.
Red lips and rosy cheeks.
360 camera, 2758 on the miles, adaptive cruise, lane assist, heated seats, heated steering wheel. You see that? Pro trailer package, power sliding glass. That is the wireless charging. Again, try to see that 360 camera again. Oh, no sunroof on this one. There's that B&O. Oh, there's your equalizer. For your trailer brake, this does have all-weather floor mats, power seats, VIN number there. There's that B&O badging again. Your hitch. Slow release tailgate, spray and bed liner. That is the cloth floor mats there. 110 there. Bed cover, locking tailgate. Almost brand new tires, only got 2,700 miles on them. These hybrids will get 40 miles to the gallon on the free or around town. I think it says like 34 around town. Sorry, I think that was backwards. 40 around town because you get the regenerative braking, and 34 on the freeway because you don't get the regenerative braking. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.